Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Chanel card holder in black caviar and gold hardware. I got this item in Paris at the airport in October 2024. I just love how stunning the Chanel packaging is. So here it is. It holds quite a substantial number of cards, and I love how it lays flat so that it fits in your pocket or in a small mini bag. Here are some close-up shots so that you can see how many pockets it has and how many cards it can hold. In the box, you'll find this nice dust bag so that you can store your wallet whenever you're not using it. There's also a care card as well as where the receipt was stored. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe for more.